today's video is a special request. I'm going to show you how to make your own homemade kettlebell. Okay, I hope you can hear me over the noise, but what I did is that I bought some PVC pipe, about $1.98 from Home Depot, and I take the bottom of it, just pour sand in the top, and I'm going to take the top before I stick it in the oven. This is going to be the handle of my kettlebell. Okay, so now I put the PVC pipe in the oven. I think it's about, I put it on 275. It's going to be a good idea to elevate PVC pipe on top of cinder block and do not leave it in there for too long, okay? You only want it in there long enough for it to become malleable, so maybe about 2 minutes. Okay, so then next I took the PVC pipe out from the oven, bent into a U, and I dunked it in that pail full of water just to help it set. Okay, so now I have my handle. That's all done, and I used the water that my handle is in, from the bucket my handle is in, poured it in for my cement mixture, and I took a basketball, a little plated basketball, just a really cheap ball, and I cut an eye on it. So I cut it down here, across here, and across here, and I'm going to fill it up with cement, and about halfway through, I'm going to stick in the handle. Okay, so you can see my kettlebell coming together here. When I did this the first time, I just used a cup of water and, sorry, not a cup of water. When I did it the first time, I just used a cup and my hands. I don't mind getting all dirty, but this time I got smart. I'm using this and I'm using this. Because trying to get cement out from underneath your fingernails is not exactly the easiest task. So I am going to start stuffing the cement in here before it all dries up on me or hardens up on me, and I'll see you after. Alright, so I know the light is bad, so I'm not sure if you're able to see me that well, but this is almost finished product. If you want, you can also stick some duct tape up here, but when I got to the top, I just put some extra cement up top. Honestly, not the cleanest job that I've ever done, but next, all you're going to do is spray paint it. If you want to put duct tape or something right there, you can. Alright, so there you go. A homemade kettlebell for under 20 bucks and in under 24 hours. Let this dry and it'll be time to have some fun.